a video how to hit 500 subscribers. So we're going to get into the video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and enjoy. Now let's get into the video and show you guys how I hit 500 subscribers. So guys, the first thing I would like to say to you guys is that thank you so much for hitting 500 subscribers, because if you guys wouldn't have been subscribing or you wasn't here, I would not been doing this video right now. And I was trying to hit 500 subscribers and I've hit it because you guys all have been supporting me and always been there for me, and also sharing some videos and telling people to subscribe, which I really appreciate, and thank you so much. And now let's get into the video. So guys, all the YouTubers that are watching me right now is that if you would like to hit 500 subscribers, because you just started YouTube and you're trying to hit 500 subscribers, well, make sure you watch this video, because I will be telling you everything of my experience how to hit 500 subscribers. And also sorry about this raining outside, and I'm getting my bedroom done, so sorry if that disturbs you in the video. So guys, now I'm going to be telling you how it started. So when I started, the first video I uploaded was my channel intro, which was really important to me, and now I got a new one though. And also, my second video I uploaded was my Q&A, where I told you everything about me, basically. So guys, my Q&A video, which was my second video that I uploaded, is my very important video, because I want you guys to know how I am as a person, what I am interested in, and what is my channel based on. So guys, you know when I did my Q&A video, which was my second video, is that when people had the same interest me, like the same interest stuff that I like, is that's when they have been subscribing, because they had the same interest as me and they have given me lots of love and support. So guys, all of you guys know that my channel is based on beauty, and also I made my way around. I was chucking some other kind of videos in there, because people that are not in the beauty community can also subscribe and enjoy my other videos. So me uploading different kind of videos for different kind of people from different kind of communities. So this will make my channel bigger, because I had female and male contributing in my channel. So guys, once I knew that both genders was watching my videos, that's when I was doing like crafts videos and creating stuff so little kids can also watch my videos and enjoy them. So the first step of the road to gain 500 subscribers, you need to be consistent. So guys, what I mean by consistent is that you at least need to upload videos like every single day, or you can upload videos 3 times a week or 4 times a week. So guys, I've been at least uploading to 5 to 6 times a week, and I've been doing different kind of videos uploading so different communities can watch and enjoy. So guys, the second step is to achieve 500 subscribers is that you need to make your videos interesting. So what I mean guys by interesting is that you need to go see what's trending, and you need to know that what people are enjoying for their content. So guys, you guys know that my channel was based on beauty, but then I did beauty videos for the beauty community to enjoy them videos, and then I did art videos and craft videos for them people who like art and crafts and are creative, that can watch them videos and enjoy and get some ideas from them to make. And also I did different videos that I've been chucking in some vlogs, challenges for you guys also to watch and enjoy. So everyone, you guys know that my channel was based on beauty, and also you guys know that everyone has their different opinions of stuff. Like some people like beauty for the hobby, some people like arts for the hobby. Loads of people have different opinions of what they like to do, and also I've been doing different videos like beauty video challenges. As I told you, it's because people around the world, I want them to be including. I want you my videos because they can enjoy the videos that they actually want to watch, which I am doing for them. So guys, step 3 is to be honest. So guys, what I mean by honest is step 1, be honest and true to your supporters. Step 2 is that be same off camera and on camera. Don't be different on camera. Don't be different on camera just for views. Be as normal and when you're off camera and on camera. And third is that you need to be as unique as you can, because unique is always beautiful. So guys, step 4 is to be thankful. supporters. You need to appreciate your subscribers, because without them you will not be here right now doing this. And not just them are thanking you. What you got to do is that for my way for thanking them is that I am doing a giveaway and sending stuff around to different people, and my giveaways always be international, so all people can enter. So guys, all of you guys know that I did my first giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, and you guys know someone already won that, and they lived in Philippines, and also they was at Philippines, and when they had a gift, they was really happy, and they was super duper happy, and it's really fun doing giveaways. And also you guys know that my giveaways always be international, so it includes different kind of people entering and also can be winning, and it's really fun, and you're just helping everyone out and making them happy. So guys, the last final step is the fifth step is that you always need to reply to your subscribers and supporters. So guys, what I mean by replies is that if your supporter asks for a question, make sure you answer them. If they give you support, always thankful them. And also, if they would like to know something about you, also reply to that as well. And also contribute with your supporters. So guys, that's my 5 tips to how to hit 500 subscribers. So guys, all of you guys know that I have now hit 1,000 subscribers, which is 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate that. And also guys, I have done a giveaway video. You guys can go check it out. It's linked over here. I have told you in that video what I'll be giving you guys, so you guys can go on that video, go entry. And once again, thank you so much for appreciating, and also for hitting 1,000 subscribers. But also guys, the giveaway announcement will be announced on 16th of April, and you guys can, as I told you, guys can go check it out and enter and see what happens. And again, remember there's a bonus round and a normal round. So guys, as I told you in this video, I have told you my FIVE 5 tips of how to hit 500 subscribers that worked for me. So that means it can always work for you guys if you guys just do and follow these instructions I have told you. You guys will get 500 subscribers. Do not worry, you will hit it. For those who are new and are trying to grow their channel, which is a YouTuber, watch this video, follow the instructions. You'll hit 500 subscribers soon. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as I told you, enter that giveaway. And I'll see you on next one. Goodbye!